Hi everyone, today we have this platform called DonorBox, and this is the best non-profit and donation management software and fundraising system. So before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to access this site and get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Jumping onto the platform, you can see we are on its dashboard and we have our setup guide in here for a better kickstart. Now we have our find a supporter, so the listed supporters are going to be of course listed and you can see them in here by using the search option. You have your fundraising results that are going to be populating in here once your campaigns are up and running. You can add your team here, you can add team members, you have your kickstart and latest news and all that stuff. Now on the left side of your screen you can see your actual campaigns, so if you click on that you will be able to create a campaign. So you can see the roadmap and the workflow to create your campaigns. First you create your campaign, connect a payment processor, launch your campaign and receive your donation. So that's how it works. You simply need to click on this create a campaign option and follow the steps as were discussed. So I'm of course not going to be going in depth in that since it is going to be taking very long. Now we have our events as well, so we of course can manage and schedule different events. It is important for the donation and this type of products if you're running a non-profit or stuff like that. You can also add your memberships. Then you have your live campaigns as well, which are going to be actively working and raising funds. We have your donations, and here you can create different campaigns again for your donation systems. And you have your recurring plans for the subscribers. Of course you have your supporters as were discussed in the first page. Then you have your CRM panel for better idea about your how everything is going on, and you can simply sign in for that in here by filling these fields. The reports are going to be showing you various reports and all the stuff, receipts of course. So now talking about DonorBox's reviews, we have various good words: made our group fundraising projects unique and simple, great tool for non-partisan political campaign. So you can see, check out and inspiring services DonorBox has to offer and much more. So to simply try out DonorBox, you can head over to the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you guys around in the next video.